Let me pull up like a Carl Wheezer clip.
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom?
Hang out with your mom?
Oh, Judy.
Oh,
You
Judy!
came and you baked me some cookies.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Are you gonna finish that croissant?
Ow, my scapula.
Ow, my scapula!
Well, don't ever let it happen again. And it's Mr. Wheezer to you. You just can't get...
Wait, I haven't seen this episode. Damn, why does Carl have so much aura?
May we go to see your lab now?
You got it. To the lab, dim-witted assistant.
To the lab! To the lab!